What do you get when you pack over 700 horsepower into a family-sized SUV? Pure madness, and we mean that in the best way possible. Meet the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. America's favorite muscle SUV is back, louder and meaner than ever. This is Next Gen Reviews, and today, we're unleashing the beast. Design. Let's start with the look. The 2026 model keeps the muscular stance but sharpens it with redesigned LED lighting, a wider front grille, and more aggressive aero touches. Dodge offers new paint options and forged wheels that scream performance while still giving it that family hauler vibe, if your family hauler does 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. Performance. Under the hood? Still that glorious 6.2L supercharged Hemi V8, now tuned to deliver 720 horsepower. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive for maximum grip. Whether you're launching off the line or towing a trailer, this thing handles it all, with attitude. Features and technology. Inside, the SRT Hellcat blends luxury and muscle. A new 12.3-inch touchscreen runs the latest Uconnect system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've got performance pages, launch control, and a full suite of driver assists. It's high-tech without losing that raw, driver-focused feel. Conclusion. The 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat is proof that you don't have to choose between practicality and power, you can absolutely have both, with a growl. So, what do you think? Is this the last of the true muscle SUVs? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you liked this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews, where performance lives. Catch you in the next one.